Yeah, yeah. Haiti to the world. Feel the rhythm, feel the pride. From the mountains to the sea we carry fire. Strong bloodline, us that never tire. We speak with passion, every word got soul. Our language tells stories that the world should know. Creole on our lips, truth in every sound. Even through the struggle we still hold it down. We dance through pain, we smile through rain. Turn little blessings into golden gain.
You can hear it in the drums, you can see it in the sun. The spirit can be broken, we were born to overcome.
It's the heart of Haiti, beating loud and free. Culture full of beauty, rooted deep in me. Women strong and graceful,
shining naturally.
Love them and respect them,
queens of dignity. It's the heart of Haiti,
rising endlessly.
Power in our people,
Strength in unity.
come by with the afro.
Move your soul with me. When Haiti starts to shine, the whole world gon' see.
Our women hold families when the days get rough. Soft with love, but inside made tough. Beauty in their eyes, wisdom in their hands. Building hope quietly, making stronger lands. Our minds create even when resources are low. Give us one seed and watch a forest grow. Talent in our steps, genius in our way. Put us in position, we changing the game.
Raise the flag high, let the speakers play. Let the children know who they are today. No shame in our roots, no fear in our name. We carry legacy, we carry
It's
flame.
the heart of Haiti,